Since 1950s we have launched thousands of satellites to the Earth's orbit. Many of them are still in the space, and some of them are naturally burn out when enter into the atmosphere. These residue of the artificial satellites are called space debris or space junk. All space junk is the result of us launching objects from Earth, and it remains in orbit until it re-enters the atmosphere. There are about 2,000 active satellites orbiting the Earth, and there are also 3,000 dead ones. The objects in a lower Earth orbit can enter into the atmosphere and burn out, but the junk in a higher altitude, nearly 36,000 kilometers, where geostationary satellites and weather satellites are placed, continue to rotate around the Earth for many years. What are the steps taken by the countries to clean space junk? The US government asked the oil companies to remove their satellites from orbit within 25 years after end of its mission. And there are two ways to remove these junk: using a harpoon to grab a satellite, catching it in a huge net using magnets to grab it, firing lasers to heat up the satellite, increasing its atmospheric drag so that it falls out of orbit. So thanks for watching. Leave your comments below, and if you like our contents, don't forget to subscribe our channel.